Here's how you can empty your iPhone storage. Let's get started and let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, you open up the settings, tap on a general and click on iPhone storage to manage your situation and have an idea of what's taking up the storage. Because obviously you might be deleting some random apps, but those may not even take up a lot of storage, right? So you need to know, it's crucial to know what is the case. For example, in my situation, mostly the apps and photos are taking up the majority of my storage. And when I go below, you can see which applications are actually the largest. So you're going to tell that I have the CapCut, I have photos, I have TikTok that's taking up too much, some random apps. So in order to free up or empty the storage, you just have to decide which apps can go or which photos you want to move over to your computer or back them up somewhere else or delete them completely. But you have to just remove something from the phone to obviously empty your storage. So in my case, I would just decide that, yeah, I haven't used like a random note-taking app for a long time, so I can just delete it and make sure that it is all gone, right? So that's something which I could do. But there is also one more option, which is called offloading, which will basically keep the documents and data, right? Because that might be kind of important. For example, all of the data of the app, which you, for example, created some notes with it or whatever, this will be kept. But as you can tell, the app size, which is much larger, that is going to be deleted and it's going to be gone because, you know, you can just offload the app. And if you need to ever re-download the app again, all of your files are still kept on the phone, but the large app size is going to be gone. So you can also use that approach if you wanted to. So this is just a quick guide. Obviously, if you want to completely empty your storage before you, for example, sell an iPhone, you have to be in your general settings, tap on a transfer or reset iPhone and click on erase all content and settings. But that is a full reset. Your phone will be completely empty. So only do it if you know what you're getting into. So let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.